back to the Everyday Workbench. As you get into fall, you start to notice those annoying drafty windows that you have around your house. And there's nothing more annoying than cold air coming into a comfortable home. So I've got a few different products and a few different methods to help you prevent those drafts from coming into your house. So the first product I'd like to show you is Caulking Cord. So this product is a soft clay-like product that comes in a roll, and you use this just like caulking on your windows. Now, you can fill gaps and stop drafts from coming into the house very easily, and it's removable. So in the springtime, when the warmer weather pops up, you just take that caulking cord right off of the windows. This is foam sponge window seal. We can apply this to many different surfaces on windows or doors. Now today we're going to put it at the bottom of our window frame because our vinyl sash is not hitting that frame. So we have a draft coming in, and this sponge is actually going to fill that void so we don't have cold air coming into the house. Cut the piece of sponge tape to size, apply that to the bottom of the window frame, and now where the sash meets the sponge tape, we have a nice seal to stop that cold air from coming into the house. For this large drafty window, we are going to use a window insulating kit. This easy roll system from Frost King is quite simple to use. The plastic comes rolled up in a cylindrical tube, and it's as easy as adjusting your size and cutting the plastic down with a built-in trimmer and using the hair dryer to get the wrinkles out. Now we've talked about 3 different ways to prevent cold air from coming into your house. These are inexpensive, they're easy, anybody can do them. You'll save a little bit of money on your energy bills, and most importantly, your house will be more comfortable this fall and winter. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.